Hi, welcome to Kyong's Kitchen. Thank you for watching. 안녕하세요. Today I'm going to share delicious and very simple and nutritious potato soup. It's getting cold outside, so soup season right now. So let's go and start. First, you will need 3 medium potatoes, and here's you need to slice them thin. Make sure they peel the skin. Potatoes is very high in potassium, also good quality protein in them, vitamin B6 and the vitamin C, and it's good for your heart. Also lower your blood pressure and no fat whatsoever. Then I start to have a boiling water, 3.5 cups water. So let's go and put it over here. And do you know that potato is a complex carbohydrate, which means it will go to blood system slowly and turn into energy. Next, you will need 1 carrot. Slice thinly as well, like that. How about that? Just add 2 more. Carrot is very high in antioxidant, which will be good for cancer, also good for your eyes, and it will reduce the cataract or prevent from getting a cataract. We make a carrot smoothie every day for that reason. Next one, you will need a 1/4 medium onion chop. This is another simple dumpling recipe. Next, you will need 2 cloves of garlic minced. And let me see. And next, you will need a soy curd, 1 cup soy curds. If you never seen a soy curds, it looks like this. This one you can find it from Amazon or go Google. And this one made from the 100% non-GMO soybean and very high in protein, so it will make a wonderful meat substitute. So some come out really long, so you need to cut about inch size. Put it in there. Okay, next. 1 tablespoon chicken-like seasoning and 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon onion powder. 1 tablespoon Nutritional yeast flakes. It's our vitamin B1, B2, B6, B12. And make taste really good. And 1 teaspoon dry parsley flakes. And mix it well. It looks really good. Okay. And bring to a full boil. Then right now it's boiling. Once it's full boiling, you need to reduce the heat, low, and cover, and cook for about 10 to 15 minutes until potatoes and carrot is nice and tender. And it's all the seasoning make taste really good and good for your heart, lower your cholesterol, blood pressure. Praise the Lord. So I'll be back, so don't go away. Welcome back. And potato soup is all done for you. Here's the finished product. That's really good. They are delicious and such a good for you. So God is so good. Taste and see that the Lord is good. See you until next program. May God richly bless you.